Because, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
This is the one. Now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, "Is it good?"
You will be shocked, but it doesn't come true.
Twinkle Twinkle Superstar बोल रहे हैं. Key message that you'd like to give to the audience.
In full butler English today. No crime, no time, no waste time.
I don't know Hindi. Some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff, and I play a beggar. My sincere apologies to the press and media.
Ellarku namaskara. Fun and do this. Fun and do this. I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
It's because I don't speak Telugu, so
What else can I say?
You liked We'll speak in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crime, no time, no waste time.
अयो!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए. पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So ஓகேவா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have
You
among here.
can go part. It's all good.
Okay,
है ना?
why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay, wow.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special. See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. And he will be the Kubera of everything he does. And he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Hana, sir. Yeah, sir.
So we
Also,
have from Aditya
if I
Music,
just
Aditya
may-
with us.
If I just may add something. आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना?
हाँ.
2 बार, हाँ, of course. Of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. Woo! Some more noise. धनुष सर का बर्थडे मेरी माँ के साथ आता है और मुझे इनमें सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है क्योंकि अगर सिंप्लिसिटी, वर्सेटैलिटी और स्टारडम तीनों एक इंसान में है तो वो आप में है. Darling fans.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good afternoon everybody. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றேனே தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி. வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust. And some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. Me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours. And Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like... I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal actually. It was fine.
वो जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है, आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You have changed your character so smoothly. We never get to know how do you do it.
See, I'm just like a processor, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with. ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you all. Love you.
Can we have a picture with the team? Yes, Dhanush sir. One quick picture with the cast. Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast.
My sincere apologies to the press and media. I have to run. I've come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. Jaldi milenge.
Goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart.
सबको नमस्कार. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. They expect me to become too fun and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Shiva or Kudagawa. This man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. This man is so incredible. This girl, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years. This is just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us. Gonna make you laugh so much. Now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, "Is this good?" I said, "How can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum?" You cannot forget that. My co-star Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself, and on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him.
So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fanboy moment.
This is an author-backed role. You just do it. I was like, okay, all right, I'll do it. This was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort.
Thank you.
Is there one?
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo! There is some.
That's a huge privilege. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago I met Mr. Nagarjun, and when I saw him on the set, he hasn't aged even one day. I was like, ये कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यार, ये तो नाग जैसे लगता है, लेकिन था ही वो. So it's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know, these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Right.
I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So.
Do you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And mwah. That's all.
This is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art.
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting. Sir?
Twinkle twinkle superstar bol rahe hain wo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role, and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong.
Given to me.
Okay. No,
So
no.
you
But I
want-
definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also. Yeah. But
So we'll keep that a secret, sir.
yeah.
कोई
Want me to-
message? हाँ.
Some message to my fans. Keep watching my films.
Yeah.
What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our films.
ऐसे ही सारे ऑडियंस बारिश कीजिए इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट पे. We want to see Kubera. Yeah. Can we please have all of you come upstage? Thank you.